Hey, what is up, high levelers? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to really spice up your landing pages using the new video background feature in GoHighLevel. So let's jump right into it. All right, so I'm in my GoHighLevel account. I'm going to head over to sites right here and then click on new funnel. Now, please note that this feature does work with funnels and websites both, so feel free to use it as you wish. Now I'm going to select from templates here and click continue. So you can see that GoHighLevel has a really good collection of templates here that you can choose. I'm going to go with this one right here and let's click on select and continue. Now this will take a few seconds while your funnel template is being created. Once it is done, it will pop up right here on your screen. Now what I want to do is replace the static image with the video. So let's go ahead, click on layers and then click on the first section. Then if you scroll on the right, you will see that we have a background media type. So here, instead of an image, we have to select video, and then it will give us an option to upload a video. So just click on this picture icon right here and then upload your video file. I've already got one uploaded right here, so I'm just going to click on that, and then it will take a few seconds and add it to the background for the section. Now, if you see to your right, you do have some video options to choose from, so you can either fit the video to the whole section, or you can do fill or cover right here. I think cover makes the most sense here, so let's go ahead with that. Then we have the opacity option, so you can choose light fade if you want to show a little bit of the background, but if you can do heavy fade, that will basically show more of the background, less of the video. So you can keep that as is as well. Now let's go ahead and click on preview so we can see how the video looks on our landing page. All right, now you can see the video looks absolutely awesome in the background. It makes it look really professional, sort of like those WordPress sites and custom coded sites, but now that is possible inside GoHighLevel. All right, so that was all about the video background feature by GoHighLevel. I hope you liked this video. Do try this feature out and see how you can make your websites and landing pages more professional and aesthetic.